Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Land Rover Discovery. It's not the touchscreen sat-nav version, as you can see. This is in the SC. It's nice and simple. So all you have to do, switch on, click on phone. It's saying select phone. Now, if you click the arrow that way, it will show you what phones are available. However, if we go to settings and then we'll watch out at the bottom, Land Rover comes up. We click on Land Rover. Bluetooth pairing, use pin 8749. 8749. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. And basically that's it. That's it connected. If we go back, we'll just see Range Rover, what is it at the top? Let's have a look. I've got too many things connected. Land Rover connected, so that's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music through the Bluetooth system in this 2014 Land Rover Discovery. Again, it's not the normal one you would see. This is the GS version, and it's just got a simple to use radio CD in. So we go to music, onto music. We'll see at the bottom there, look. If I click at the bottom with my big Mars bar fingers, there you go. Land Rover is connected. There's a tick next to Land Rover. If there's not, you just tick. Now we need to set this. We need to go over to the system. That's on radio at the moment. So we click. You've got music there and you've got aux. If you click music, that's to adjust the sound, the tone, the bass and so on. So we want aux. And then it's got line inactive. Press it again. That's it. It's come up. Don't want to close my eyes. Aerosmith. If I turn that up, that's it playing. Turn it back down again. I'm just going to go back. I'm just going to go to phone. And now we'll click auxiliary. It will scroll through between auxiliary, line inactive and Bluetooth. That's it. It's as simple as that. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Land Rover Discovery. It's not the system with a touchscreen sat-nav. This is just a radio CD system. So you've got phone here, auxiliary, you've got menu over here. I'm assuming actually you'll probably be able to get to it through phone and menu. We'll go to phone first of all. Phone, select phone. You'll see an arrow on the right. So right, and you've got John's phone, Barry's phone, or delete. Delete with an arrow pointing that way. Point there, select the phone you want to delete, click OK. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone 15 Pro? I do. Click OK again. It's gone. That's it. Dead simple to use. Great system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.